Guys, Felipe Cyberbikes here. I'm assembling a couple of Cyberbikes and I would like to show you our 3 models. So let's start with this robust, very strong mountain bike frame with a powerful 750 watts rear hub motor with a massive 768 watt-hour battery. You can do more than 77 kilometers on this bike going at 25 kilometers an hour. Beautiful display with throttle on the left hand. The bike comes with front and rear lights, mud guards, mud tires. It's an extremely well-built bike, built to last, that will leave any other bike behind. A massive 48 volts, 22 amps controller. There's no other bike like this in the market in Australia, and you should enjoy this opportunity. Look at this. When you press the brakes, check out the rear light. The rear light flashes. That's great, hey? Here we have the Pepito. Pepito, the Chubby Funstar. 20 inches, 4.0 tires. Great bike with a battery enough for about 60 kilometers range. And this we have this one is Diana, the Princess of Confidence, the Queen of Confidence. Look at this, great bike, mud tires, mud guards, rear light, rack, strong rack. You can carry all your goods in here. Look how beautiful it is, with throttle on the left, tactile brakes, with performance brake pads and bigger disc brakes. Is a bike that will last a lifetime. If you are looking for one, check out our website and order yours now.